Rita Ritoto, how are you, my darling sister?
You real life, you are true name and you. You are true name and you. Calm down, calm down, calm down, okay? One in the morning. What the Udamia? Udamia. But calm down. You calm down, you calm down. Like fridge, you know, here cold water. I want cold water fridge. Calm down, okay? Calm down, okay? But calm down. Calm down, okay? Just calm down. Relax. Okay? Alright, thank you. Ciao, ciao. Hello? Any? Yeah? Any? How you doing, nigga? What's up, yo? Yeah, I know who they talk, man. My only wife waiting for UK. Okay, you can be in real life, you can be Rowan. I will speak up. I know. Now, me should talk to you anyhow. If I don't talk to you, no one wants to you anyhow. What's the problem? You must not go on. They dig the way you ask the wife to who don't think we're going on. What's the problem? Second man, let's go. Of course. Now be that one, why they change? I just say, I follow the joke now. I was joking with you, and you are so angry because we took the Buluku. Because remember on Buluku there. You better block me. Oh God. Voila. All this woman we are married up from Chris. No man, that's I take my drink, yeah. That's exactly. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hey yo. Hey yo. Wow. Wow. All right. All right. All right. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate. I appreciate. All right, man. Thank you very much. All right, man. I appreciate you. All right, man. Thank you very much. God bless you. Yeah. Okay, my lovely people. I greet you now. Man, let me talk a bit. I just want to talk. I want to appreciate people that have been there for me. First of all, let me just something. I'm going to let me say something. I just want to say something. Few things, I want to say a few things. This I'm going to share that's the truth. And this morning people they call me, they bless me. They bless me. God bless all of them. God bless all of them. All of them when they bless me, when they come for phone, remember they can't really, when they go, remember they can't really, even now my beautiful mommy, British biker, so Lord bless you. Hello, mom. Okay. If I don't pray for life, I'll do it, okay? Thank you. Yeah. So, I want to say very big thanks to you guys. You guys are the best, or you're the best. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Whatever I see. I don't know where I'm go, I had to go. Man, as I said before, and I still say it again, I know we no day. The truth be say, I've been no one bust this code. Let me get talking. I've been no one bust the code, say they don't give me paper. I've been one shock the whole world. Nobody say don't come talk about life, but humanity be already. You understand? My plan was just as I give this document so you were going to go to the ticket here called Nigeria. As in Nigeria, they were waiting and deporting me. I want to see people that love me, people that hate me. That was my plan. But yesterday night, it was massive. Because yesterday night, now we host club. My club, that is it. It was massive. Ogbagwe. Definitely, I don't see it was cast. Only yesterday night, I don't see it go cast. So, as I come live to yesterday, I have to say it. You understand? Before I put the hear for people mad. President, I come and say, "Na me come talk can, me come talk can." We put boss stand yesterday. Yeah, tell them. Hello. Which kind of TV this one? You call me with the cut call. You call me with the cut call. Are you for every? Let this one be the first or last though. If you don't say you don't want to talk anything, don't call me. You understand? So that was the reason why not just that very day when they get that on Thursday, which was on the 19th, where they give me that paper. I don't want just bust and constantly. Babe, go calm down. I get to go ask. Financial accident because my enemy. Then let's see. Which people go. I'm not here. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello, Mama, with this man.
I greet you, sister, with the laugh.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you very much. What's it?
Che, that document, man, fibroid woman where undocumented immigrant. And that's why I'm going to come in, man. I don't know what to say. And no, let him say, but no.
Don't be lying.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
God.
That's all.
Enjoy yourself, eh?
Yeah, man. Thank you very much. So the fact was that Ebenare now she's on the 9th of July. Ebenare on the 9th of July, I got Wednesday. That Tuesday, I got the beach. A script is going already. For me to come collect the people home. on the 19th of September. On the 9th of July, I collected the document on the 19th of September. You understand? When we prepared them, this person they give me document. That means me I can use and take paper who never gets. Thank you very much for the star West Wisdom. Who never gets, go still gets. You understand? So why we having in my go be a paper one. So let's see we like we can talk now this a big way. So the great thing is that I'm looking for a job in Nigeria. This one winner. Because my blood is hot. You only down with me. You only down with me. Down with me. Maybe we fire down. You understand? So now here's the thing. May God bless all of you now. All of you now will stand by me, you know, ratification of life. God bless you guys. You guys are the best and you remain the best. You understand? For those of you who support me one way or the other, God bless you. You guys are the best. I see them with my drink and one young. Those of you when they give me star not go end for my life. I want me star here. I feel like if you're and you're one of the men clever on the phone, or clear the my clear the and you might couldn't be upon the trick we are drinking. My couldn't be anyway. I make it an announcement yesterday. I'm not going to be corner the big call. But yeah, we'll see. Was not why you tried this night. But then I went on my clear. It was not you. Alright. Thanks to every one of you that congratulates me. Wherever I will see. I have live video presenter congratulating me. God bless you. Asabro talk show. We more in a big way one of social media. Of web. I accept that name, that title. God bless you. God bless every one of you, all the bloggers, Epa Eddie. God bless every one of you. You guys are blessed. You are wonderful. Thanks to you all, commenters, viewers. Both the one who love me and the one who hates me. Sure, the one who hates me, who are soon. I want to pray for the one who hates me. All of them who hate me who are soon. You no hate me. You know what you about love. Why go hate me? You go on you right. Why bad what? Even though no man who will tell a live video. Wow, who am who you? Wow, go for my name. Who you are soon? Who you are making last kachiko? I still from Victor. To don't play here. Boy, yo. Understand? Some of you now not go hear me from my side. Now go hate me. Why you where you be me? My concern because why I not offend you. You hate me. Some of them say my saga only do saga again. My saga only hurt again because I don't marry. Why was saga the be? Why saga go the war? I'm coming. In every nonsense, there's a sense. There's a level you get to. You have to calm down. I'm not a family man. I have children and wife. You cannot compare my saga now with when I was single. No husband, no wife, no children. It's just me alone. Now bass boost all the time. But this time around, I am not a family man. Before they beat children now, I feel go think say I get picky for his house. Before they beat wife now, I feel go think say I get wife for his house. Before they beat man now, I feel go think say I get a man. You understand? So I have to use my brain, but it doesn't mean say you go to constitute nuisance. I will keep quiet. No. Or if I could misbehave and I get concrete evidence, I'm not going to talk now without no evidence. So if you get concrete evidence and I do one before right from time, I will wear you to that's just the way it is. In the feel so. Now if you see because you don't get documents, not the busaga. You understand? My document now UN. Not the woman give me document. Make I offer clear the father one corner. When an officer say that my wife now give me document. Every time they tell me, I say, I don't marry my wife because of documents. I marry her because I love her. You understand? Not because of documents. Not because of picking. I'm not used picking to find paper. Now God give me. You reach my tongue and reach my heart. And they advise my brother the other day, say, come Italy. Italy they give paper. Come seek for your aduru. Come do them again. Start from scratch. The way I take start from scratch. No matter what, God go open your door. Everywhere will clear. You go to say na saga. Not be saga. Not be advice person for saga. They tell you the reality of life. Today now, I dey celebrate. I dey happy. You know how many people don't celebrate me for this city? They don't really let me rest yesterday. From club to club to club to club to bar, from bar to bar to bar to bar. I'm Palestinian boys, men of wisdom, my club, now God go bless you. Now God go richly bless you. Big blessing. My club where I did big blessing. My club, TV of Force, now you celebrate yesterday now. My vice secretary, they give his wife 5 years. His wife come here, he never reach 3 months when his wife come from Nigeria. From Nigeria, when they come here, they give the wife 5 years last week here. You understand? One of the other of my club member, they give him in Qatar. Qatar so John 00, we don't know the doing. Big head, you will be big head, and they come wear me. As they wear me, they say no, this bless is too much. As the chairman, they have to shock to me, they shortalize me. I was so happy yesterday. God bless all of you now. And since yesterday till this morning, now so that they bless my account. Woto. They go come and say, brother, no, I'm one young. Congratulations, give me your account number. The 50,000, the 20,000, the 100,000. God bless you. Who are all? I know God wants to say. Now let's go to Sharon OKPAMEN and Izzy Omoruyi. Guys, share this video. And let me see, I want to talk about my document. Document. That goes on. I've heard done this thing before. My fellow guy, man, Enoki. I tell you, say this one will beat your wife because of say one give you document. If the document come, what will you do? My own document, yeah. Any live video, you tell it. Any tell you tell live video now. No, the other day, they can make control and say, you first calm down first. Maybe you first calm down first. I say, when I come for job for me, my bro, they want to work. How do they work? So, you first calm down first. We can see it. So, that's how it be. Every night, with time, God will bless everybody. And I still pray for those who never stick the big God still bless them. He said, when they pray for me since then, as they mock me, undocumented immigrant. I am not a documented immigrant. Confirmation code, a documented immigrant. With an apartment. You understand? With an apartment. And I hear undocumented immigrant. Everything work for God. I thank God. And I thank God for my beautiful sister, my friends, my family. The prayer. God bless you guys. You guys are blessed. Well, yeah, I'm celebrating. God bless you. Even me, I'm not even celebrate. A lot of people, I'm not even celebrate myself. I just celebrate others. I used to be when the man you be. You may give me. I don't know what I want. I don't feel happy. I'm go. I think go. So you see, and that's why people come here for dances. 3 days now. We don't know say the document. So the document we do. Cost me for us. They are here. How will you go? No sense not do live video. You are here. Man, here you. Okay. Now, my sister Sharon OKPAMEN. I don't want. I don't want to talk about matter because this one is a celebration. Because this matter it go to go rough. This matter of Izzy, Sharon. You go to go rough. All the day we will play. A lot of things there. But one thing we want first talk. Please, Sharon. They're not better for Italy. Sharon will be taking you home either today or tomorrow. By this time tomorrow, Sharon will not be in Nigeria. You understand? Either today or tomorrow. So guys, get ready. For those of them who they bongo, once time they launch bongo, and go still come and answer. You understand? Sharon they will move to Sharon either today or tomorrow from Region Media, from the airport to Nigeria. That's for Sharon. Izzy Omoruyi. Izzy Omoruyi. My sister, even know Emma, what you they do no good though. I don't know what you want to get from what you they do. What I call one people now. Hello. Hello, bro. I agree with you, bro. Okay, the monster. I will be on that. Why is tired? He asked me that cookie. Don't be lie. I greet you, Baba. Domo. Yeah. Okay, no wala. Okay. Thank you very much. Yeah. So, you see, Sharon want to join this my celebration because I celebrate, and I also see may our gentle soul rest in peace. May Sharon's soul rest in peace. I don't know. I will say, I don't ya quit and working. I'm in Lalaha. We are in my past at bush. Now for the trusty leg. And why are they talking? Because Sharon Mata come out base. I know so they don't really give me sleep. I don't get my sleep since July 8th. Now I get my sleep. You understand? Sharon died for August. That's how Sharon died. August 23, Sharon died. I already get my sleep, so I already get my document already. You understand? But inside there, so may God bless all of you. Now will they pray for me, and I came out to fight for truth, for sincerity, truth about the whole scenario of Sharon's issue. And today, I am now a documented immigrant, not undocumented. I'm not a documented immigrant. We thank God. I will come back later to talk to Sharon, Izzy, and OKPAMEN. There's a lot to say about Sharon, Izzy, and OKPAMEN. I first tell Izzy, your story about this family, you will reach episode 20. You will reach episode 20. The story of Izzy to Sharon family, you will reach episode 20. But nakiri my hair quarter. I don't want to carry this. I don't want to carry second enjoy this my celebration. I just want to do my beer. I want you. Let me leave you guys now. And I will see you guys later. Don't play. Hey, are you boy? Yo. No, bye for now.